Hello guys, in today's episode we're gonna disassemble this robot because motor driver just passed out because of too high voltage and fabric valid. First I'm gonna unscrew this a lot of cables. It's just prototype, so chill. Future robot will be very much better. It will has protection and everything for competition Mini Sumo. It has a lot of features like laser, here lasers for opponent searching, here and here. It's that, you don't see that. And this for line tracking, model here, and it's there. I'm going to assemble this, disassemble. It's too much cables. It's so freaking awful, like how they looks. If you want to see more episodes when I'm just yapping, just see me, write in comments, and when just how robot looks and how it works, what I'm coding, also just write. I will read that and find out. Let's secure the plus of the batteries with silver tape, just to be secure for short circuit. That cables, that's better. Oops. Okay. Let's take it out. It's that motor driver which burned out. You can see that here. I will show you later. And this is two batteries, 18650. It's one, it's 4 volts, and other is also 2 volts. Means, but together it's 8 volts. Okay, let's unscrew this motor driver and show you. Now I must unsolder these wires so I can show you that. Okay, you can see that. And this is our demon burnt out. Okay, this is what burned when I plugged this battery. I don't know actually why. It can hold 10 volts and with 8 it burns. I don't know why. Maybe it's some short circuit there and I don't see that, but I measured it with multimeter and it was okay. No short circuit, so I don't know what. Oh, it's fun to just do this. We can dig in here like archaeologists. Oh, it's brown. It should be white, I think, but it's brown. It's so burnt. I think I can show you what else burned when I built this. This from just 3D printed model. I built this 7 hours straight. So I take out this metal piece of this ESP on my short, so you can go there and check. Please like, of course. And it's when this thing burned, this, and also this brain of this whole microcontroller. And I was so confused why, and it's because that this red sheet just do short circuit and go this short circuit to ESP, and it's burn itself here, this part, and also this. It was smoking in white and it was dead smoke, last smoke in his life. And when I plug this into a computer, I can show you, maybe even on power bank, it looks like it's working. Even when I plug this into a computer, it's showing when like it's working. Oh, you can see this LED and it's working, but it's not processing any information. So this is how I know it's burnt. This is second that ESP of that day. Let me just, okay. And with that ESP, that thing burned. It should take that down 8 volts to 3.3 volts, which ESP doing, and so you can learn from my mistakes, and just by thing that go down 8 volts to 3.3 and you can sleep just fine, and it works fine. It works just fine, and yeah, it's so dangerous what I did. Okay guys, it's all from that episode. We do what we should. This is this burnt thing. I must order some new. This is adapter for ESP to burnt ESP, and please like and subscribe. Write in comments what you think about this film, what should I do better and what I shouldn't do. And yeah, have a nice day.